The Tapo SolarCam 2K wireless camera stands out for its truly low-maintenance solar design, which keeps the battery topped up with ordinary daylight, so you rarely have to think about charging. Its 2K QHD video, combined with a very wide 150-degree viewing angle, delivers sharp, expansive coverage that makes it easier to see faces, license plates, and activity at the edges of the frame. The wire-free installation and flexible 13-foot solar panel cable make it simple to mount the camera and panel in different spots, so you can aim the lens where you want while placing the panel for the best sun exposure. Smart detection that can distinguish between people, vehicles, and pets helps cut down on nuisance alerts while still letting you know quickly when something important is happening. You can choose between local recording on a large-capacity micro SD card or cloud backup through the Tapo service, which gives some welcome flexibility in how you manage and access your clips. Encrypted video, two-factor authentication, and reliable performance outdoors make this camera feel like a well-thought-out option for someone who wants strong home monitoring without constant upkeep.